Yeah, welcome students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now the session is regarding the important named reaction, that is pinacol to pinacolone rearrangement. What do you mean by the pinacol and what do you mean by the pinacolone is here what the definition of pinacol to pinacolone rearrangement is here is a vicinal diol. Vicinal means the adjacent carbon atom carrying OH group, that we call vicinal diol, or also IUPAC name is a 2,3 dimethyl but 2,3 diol, which we call the simply as a pinacol. Acid catalyzed rearrangement of whether it is dilute H2SO4 or moderately concentrated H2SO4 or proton donating solvents are taken, then which undergoes rearrangement. The rearrangement leads to the respective carbonyl compound, whether it is aldehyde or ketone, that we call as a pinacolone. Acid catalyzed rearrangement of pinacol to pinacolone is known as a pinacol to pinacolone rearrangement. What the mechanism of the elementary steps involved in this reaction is first, here is the pinacol, vicinal diol is taken. Here in all the cases the same type of the alkyl groups are given. In such cases everyone can able to predict the product what it is. But when it is in the case of the different groups are given, in such cases the migrating ability plays an important role. Here is oxygen carries the electron that acts as a nucleophile and the electrophile is the H plus ion. Now CH3, here is the CH3, here the carbon atom CH3 and oxygen gained its H plus ion by loss of its electron OH2 plus. We know well oxygen, since it is a more electronegative element, that's what it never be appear to be as a positively charged one. By the loss of the H2O molecule, now the carbon carries the positively charged one. Here is the OH group is there. Carbon carries the positive charge CH3, here is a OH group. Here CH3 group is present, or for the sake of our convenience, here is the methyl group, here is the methyl group. Carbon lost its electron, that's what it's a positive charge, carbonium ion. Then very important and the rate determining step is the migration of 1, 2 alkyl shift. 1, 2 alkyl migration. What that is the formed one? Here the carbon lost its electron OH, and here is the carbon methyl group and methyl group is present. Now here the carbon possessing the positive charge, hence this oxygen atom donated electron. As a result, a double bond is established between them, and CH3C, here is a double bond O, oxygen carries its electron, then immediately by the loss of the H plus ion, whatever that we are added initially, that is eliminated at the end of the reaction. C double bond O, CH3 and CH3. This is the mechanism of the pinacol to pinacolone conversion, where the 1, 2 alkyl migration is an important one, and everyone need to understand that based on the migrating ability, then which alkyl group or which hydrogen atom is getting shifted 1, 2 position is important. Now few examples regarding the pinacol to pinacolone rearrangement. Here how can we identify whether the given reaction is pinacol and pinacolone is if the vicinal diol and H plus is given, that passes via pinacol to pinacolone rearrangement, obviously the respective carbonyl compounds, whether it is aldehydes or ketones, are the formed product. Here every example is of its own kind. Here methyl groups are present and the phenyl groups are present. Then you get a doubt which group gets migrated, whether the phenyl is migrated or the methyl is migrated is an important one. That the important thing that we need to keep in mind is in which location the more stable carbonium ion is a formed one. Here is the we know well the benzyl carbonium ion is a more stable one. That's what the migrating ability of the methyl group is high. That's what the methyl group is gets migrated, but not phenyl group. Very, very important one. Migrating ability of methyl is greater than the phenyl. That's what the methyl is getting migrated. Whereas here another is a methyl is given, ethyl is given. We know well the benzyl carbonium is a more stable one. Among the methyl and ethyl group is migrated easily, migrating ability. Here is a hydrogens are given, here is a phenyl is given. We know well the phenyl is a more stable one. One of the hydrogen is gets migrated. As a result, the loss of H2O molecule will take place. As a result, here the C double bond O gets established. Here the phenyl group is given, one is a hydrogen is given, another is a methyl is given. Then here is the most stable carbonium ion hydride, that the hydrogen shift will take place, establishes a carbonyl group. Here some more examples regarding pinacol to pinacalone rearrangement. Here a diol, vicinal diol containing H and pH. Then the hydride ion is shifted easily, like here is a carbonium ion is generated, the hydride is shifted. Here is a methoxy group is presented on the phenyl, there is an electron releasing group, hence a phenyl is migrated from here to here because it establishes a stable carbonium ion since electron releasing group is present. Here is a ethyl group is there, methyl group is there, ethyl group is there and methyl group is there. We know well the migrating ability of the ethyl group is greater than the methyl group, that's what it is migrated. Here is a one side, both the ethyl groups are present, here is a methyl groups are present. Ethyl group is migrated easily, like that a respective carbonyl compounds is forming easily. Here such kind of the complex is given, the presence of H plus, vicinal diol is present, then obviously what we get, the remaining moiety is not changing anything, but here is only, here both the places, here is a C double bond O, here is a pH and pH. Here is also diol is given, one is a 4-membered ring, another is a 5-membered ring is given, but it making like a spiro compounds, like both are joined at one point, both gets the chain expansion will take place for the fifth group. Here is a H2O is gets lost, then this bond is broken, from here is a negative charge is a making bond with this one, like the ring expansion is also possible in the case of pinacol to pinacalone rearrangement.